guys, what is up? Welcome back. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Today I'm going to be doing yet another cash envelope stuffing. So this is the amount that I will be cash envelope stuffing. So how is everybody doing? I'm feeling a little frustrated, not gonna lie. I got some things going on that I don't even know how to handle right now, and it's really frustrating. So, oh, this is my bank slip. I don't need that. Let me put the money where it needs to go. $17. And then we're supposed to have 10 eights. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I got all the 10s that I need. And then these 5s. I really wish they would just put the money the right way. That would be great. Okay, I did miscount, but I do have all of the money that I need for this stuffing. All right, so I'm gonna start with my high priority car payment. I am going to be adding $450, which is gonna be all of these hundreds, 450, which is a lot of freaking money, like, geez, I don't know. Okay, so rent is going to get $40, 20, 40. And now in rent, I have 20, 40, $55. Oops, hold up. That's a bent, I don't like, it's a bent. Okay. Taxes is going to receive $40. And now we have $60. And I really want to switch this because it's a little annoying. Trying to do this like this. Okay. For my emergency fund, it is emptied. I had to empty it because overspent. We are starting over with $15. So car maintenance is going to receive $40. And now I have 20, 40, 60, $75. $75. All right, and brakes and tires, I'm going to be adding both money to both. So for brakes, I am going to be adding $5. And now I have 20, 40, 45, 50. Now I just got both my brakes. I just got my brakes done completely on my car, so I'm slowly building up to the next time I need them done again. For tires, I am going to be adding $45. Okay, I don't know. That was all messy. All right, so now for my tires, I have 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 200, 20, 30, 35, 40, $240, which it is about that time for me to get my tires done on my car. And tires are so expensive. Like the last time I had to get a tire or two replaced, I was just like, this is ridiculous. Like really ridiculous. But I gotta do it. So that will be coming up soon. Sorry. For oil change, I'm going to be adding $10. And now I have $10, $20, $25. All right. For my car registration, which I still don't know how much it's gonna be, but for my car registration, I'm going to be adding $5. Now I have 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 85, 90, $95, which last year it was lower, which means this year it's gonna be even lower. So it'll be around $100 or something, so I'm really close. And my car registration is due in November, so I got 2 more months to save up for my car registration. And that is all in my high priority. So next, I am going to be stuffing my son's binder for his personal savings. Was it opened? It was open. I am going to be adding $5. I don't know what I was doing. And for his personal savings now, he has 100, 20, 25, 30, and $35. Okay. For his college, I am going to be adding $5. And now he has 10, 15, 20, $25. So for his clothing, I am going to add $10. Now he has 15. For his shoes, I'm going to add $5, which now he has 5, 10, and $15. Okay. For his glasses, I am going to be adding $10. So now there is 20, 30, 40, and $50 for his new pair of glasses. For his birthday, I'm going to be adding $5. And I'm a little annoyed because the little clear pieces came off of some of my envelopes. And I'm annoyed because it's gonna take me a minute to actually replace these envelopes. Like, yeah. So we're not gonna close it all the way, but birthday has $5. For his school, I am going to be adding $5 as well, which brings the total to $10. All right, and that is all for my son's binder. All right, so the next binder is going to be my home binder. In here, I'm gonna have utilities. I put $50 in here, but I did it in a way where it was 2 20s because this was for my Excel bill. And so $40, and then I did end up wanting to put $10 more aside. So that is what we are going to do. So total is $50. All right. So for furniture, you guys, for furniture, I want to add $5. Household, I am going to add $10. I believe this is open. Yes, it is. For my bedroom, I am going to add $5, which, let me take this $5 bill out. Okay. Making a mess over here. Which brings the total for my bedroom set to be $10. Now moving, I don't plan on moving anytime soon. Well, just because I just moved in my apartment, but I do want to put money away for moving. So, because who knows what's going to happen next year? Who knows? So I am going to add $5, and that is going to bring the total to 10. Oh! Really? Really? This is what we're doing? This is annoying. And then trying to stick it back on there is possible. I just don't have the patience to be doing that right now. So we're gonna move on. The next one is actually gas. And for gas, I did put $135 away, but I did it in a way to where I was doing it as I was filling up. So each fill up is $45. So that's what I'm gonna do here. So I only need 3 fill-ups because I already did 1. I don't know what I'm doing. Ooh, look at that. Tragic, 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 tragic. Oh my goodness. I do not want this $20 bill. They should have trashed this. This is ridiculous. Well, it looks like I'm gonna have to get rid of this one. I really am. I'm gonna have to get rid of that because I can't do nothing with that. I can't do anything with this one. So I'm actually going to substitute it for this one because I will be able to get rid of it fast that way. And then just 5 on each, and this should equal $135. Sorry, I'm doing it the difficult way because I don't know, y'all. My brain, I'm just not in the mood to do much. So, anyways, 20, 40, 60, 80, 1, 20, 25, 30, 35, $135 for gas. And you guys know with the gas prices going back up, $45 doesn't even get me a full tank anymore. I'm so annoyed about that, but we're gonna have to work with it because I'm over it. For groceries, I am going to be adding $100. And I did do groceries, oh, don't come off, please don't come off, in 250s, so $100. And that is all from my home binder. So I'm going to move on to my personal binder. Okay, so for my personal savings, I am going to add $5. And now I have 105 and 10, $110. Okay, so for life insurance, I'm going to add $5, which now I have 20, 40, 50, 55, 60, $65. For my clothing, I am going to add $5, which brings me to 10. For nothing for my birthday, but For my shoes, I am going to add $5. Now I have 50, 55, 60, $65 for shoes. Ooh. Toiletries. For toiletries, I am going to add $5, which brings me to 15. And I don't think self-care needed anything. Therapy, I'm going to add $5. Oh, and now in therapy, I have $10. Okay, and that is all for my personal. All right, so now I'm gonna stuff my low priority binder with health getting $10. And hair products receiving $20. I really need some new hair products, so I'm really excited about this. And that is all for this binder. So this last $10 bill is actually going to go towards a savings challenge that I'm going to start. Now, let's move this over and let's bring this one in. Now this book, if you're wondering, is from Taylor Budgets. This is the Ultimate Savings Challenge book. Check it out if you want to look, if you really want to get into savings challenges, but I did buy this book from her. Now, I do want to start with the savings challenge jar. Now, I didn't really want to write anything in here, but I think I should. Should I? I should. I wanted to do 11 this time around. Now, I will be right back because there's a $1 bill that I want to put in here with this, but hold on. All right, actually there is a $12 piece of candy. Okay, so I'm going to put $12 in this envelope that I just created that just says spending. Don't mind me, I keep changing my mind on these envelopes, but the money that I'm going to collect in here, I'm going to put inside of this envelope for my savings challenge. Come on, stay. Don't come off. Don't do it. Okay. And what color should I color the candy? Should I do it all one color? Should I do it different colors? I don't know, you guys. I think I'm gonna do the whole thing. I'm just gonna color the whole thing. I don't have colors like that. I actually do. I don't feel like getting them though. But I think I'm just gonna color the candy. And I was so afraid to do this, start working in the savings challenge book because of where I have been at when it comes to my savings. Like, I'm not gonna lie, I've been a little paranoid. I think I wanna make the numbers black. Yes. And then I'm just gonna color around it. But I'm not gonna be afraid, you guys. I'm gonna keep working on saving my money up and getting somewhere financially. I guess I'll just color the whole thing one color on all of them. So we got our first $12 that we are saving, and I'm so excited. Again, this book came from tailor budget. And that is going to be all for my video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. It really does help me out a lot. And if you want to subscribe to content like this, then hit the subscription button down below. Until next time, bye guys.